Okay, so filters are the format data displayed to the user. Okay, so for example, if you want to display a particular data date time format to the user, so you can display in number of format like date, month, year, month, date, year, month, date. Okay, in the different formats we can display to the user. Okay, so filters are the formatting data displayed to the user. So filter can be added to the expressions by using the pipe character. Okay, so in the expressions we have to use pipe character to apply the filters for any expression. So filters are added to directives, okay, like ng repeat, okay, by using the pipe character. So these are the filters of the format data displayed to the user. So not only date format, okay, in numbers format, amounts, okay, and date filters, and encapsulations, and small letters. Next, okay, date format order by filters. Okay, so these are all the filters. Okay, filters are available in languages, uppercase, lowercase, and currency filter, number, date, order by, and filter. Okay, these are the filters available in languages. Okay, so first filter is uppercase and lowercase. So uppercase and lowercase are filters are used to display, okay, display characters in uppercase and lowercase. Okay, you want to display characters in uppercase, use uppercase filter. You want to display characters in lowercase letters, use lowercase filter. Okay, the ng module is used to transform template data before it is rendered within directives and expressions. Uppercase and lowercase converts string to lowercase characters, and uppercase converts string to uppercase characters. So here in this products page, so we can display number of products. Okay, for example, in the product controller, okay, so we have created each and every separate controller for each and every template. Okay, so based on the controller name we are implementing the controllers. App.controller, function, scope, products information. So create one function here, scope dot display products. Okay, so this is the function. This function is executed when click on the button in products template. Okay, my products equal to product ID 1, product name, okay, TV, and price, okay, 25,000. And the product release date, release date, 2007, 04 and 16th. Okay, this is one product information. Another product, cooker. Okay, second month, February 12th. Okay, so for example, two products. So display these products in products.html template. Input type equal to button, value equal to get products. Okay, next ng click event. So that is the directive. So the function name is display products. Okay, so when you click on this button, display the products in table format. Product ID, product name, price, and release date. Next row, use ng repeat directive. Product in my products. Okay, product in my products, td, product id. Okay, the name should be same here. Product id, next dd, product name, product name, next td, price, product.price, product.release date. Okay, so these are the product information: product id, product name, price, and release date. One pixel, gray color. Okay, so run this example. So we need to execute this project from index.html form only. Directly don't run this products.html form because there is no html tag, there is no body tag, Okay. And there is no header section. So this is the starting point for the single page application. Okay, so go to products page. So click on products. So product ID, product name, price, and the release date. Okay, these two products are displaying in the table format. Table styles. And styles. Okay, so we will see this. So these are the products information. Okay, product name and price, release date displaying. Why this table is not coming? Same styles table. Okay, so table format. So I want to display table product name. Okay, product name in uppercase, okay, uppercase letters. So use this filters, product name. So when you are using filters in the AngularJS, use pipe character, okay, and uppercase. Okay, so the product name will be displayed in uppercase only. Okay, get products. Okay, product name is displaying in uppercase. If you want to display product name in lowercase, use lowercase filter. Okay, so between property name and filter, use pipe character. Okay, so concurrent TV in small letters. So this is the two filters, uppercase and lowercase filters. And next filter is currency filter. So currency filter is used to display currency format. Okay, like in rupee symbol, dollar symbol. Okay, in the symbols we can display before the amount. Okay, so format a number as a currency. When no currency symbol is provided, default symbol for current local is used. Okay, so actually default symbol is dollar symbol is applied. Okay, if you use currency filter and without any format, okay, without provide any currency symbol format, by default it will take dollar symbol. To display Indian currency symbol format, use this HTML code so that it will display Indian rupee symbol format. For the price, use currency. Okay, currency format, currency filter. So refresh this once. Okay, see this. The number is converted into currency and by default dollar symbol is taken. Okay, to display Indian rupee symbol, Indian rupee format, use this HTML code. Okay, so currency colon in the double quotes or single quotes we can use, and this is the HTML format. Okay, so 25,000 displayed like this. You want to display another country format, you can apply another code. So this is the currency filter. Okay, so next one is number filter. So number filter formats a number as a text. If the input is null or undefined, it will just be returned. If the input is infinite, the infinite symbol is returned. And if the input is not a number, an empty string is returned. Well, this is the number filter. Okay, use pipe character and number filter. Okay, so this is default number filter format. Without, you don't want to display fractions, okay, use colon 0. To display negative numbers, use minus symbol before bind the scope variable. So for example, product code. Okay, another one we can add here, product code. The code is okay. So this is the product code. Okay, we can display this product code here. Product code and number format. Okay, so this is the number filter. Okay, so numbers are displayed like this. So number also we can apply like a currency. Okay, so that is not the product code. Okay, test. Okay, just test. Okay, so number format will apply like this. Okay, it is also convert to the currency format, and you want to display fractions. Okay, 2. Okay, it will display 2 fractions. Okay, how many fractions you want to display, like this you can set here. Okay, so for 4 fractions is displayed. You don't want to display any fraction, use 0. Okay, and next, to display negative number, use here minus. Okay, negative number is displayed like this. Okay, so this is the number format, number filter. Next, date filter. So formats a date to a string based on the requested format. Okay, so we can display in number of formats. Full date we can display, only date we can display, or only year we can display, only date also we can display, or we can create our own custom date format also. Okay, so this is our custom date format. For the date filter, use pipe character and date. It will display full date filter like April 16, 2017 and February 12, 2016. Okay, so this is the full date format in AngularJS. Use full date. Okay, full date filter, it will display like the day also it will display. Okay, 16th is a Sunday and 12 is the Friday. Okay, day also will display with the full date format, date colon full date. You want to display only year, use 4 Ys or 2 Ys. 2 Ys only 17, 4 Ys totally 2017 is displayed. Okay, only 2007 and 2016 displayed. Only year displayed. You want to display only month name, use triple caps M. It will display month name. Okay, April and February. Okay, half part is displayed here. You want to display full month name, use 4 M's, 4 caps M's. Okay, so April and February. Full month name is displayed. So like this, you can create our own custom format also. So here I have created this format, custom date format. So the date format is year, okay, and month and day only displayed. Okay, year colon 2017, month colon April, and day colon Sunday. Okay, Sunday April 2017. Okay, and date also you can display. DD. Okay, day 16th Sunday. So all these are formats. Okay, so date filters. Next one is order by filter. So order by filter display the ascending order. Okay, so orders is specified array by the expression predicate. It is ordered alphabetically for strings and numerically for numbers. Okay, from A to Z it will display in the ascending order. Numbers also will display like from 0 to n number of values. Okay, if you use order by filter, here in ng repeat directive use pipe character and order by. Okay, b caps here. See in which column you want to display order by, use like a price. Okay, from lower to high will display, lower value to higher values, ascending order. Okay, so first 4,000 displayed and second 25,000 displayed. Okay, the ascending order is price. If you want to display product name, order by product name, like a C is first and after that T. Okay, same. So this is the order by filter. Okay, and next filter. So filter is a search format. Okay, search, so you can search uh, the data through collection of array. It selects a subset of items from an array and returns it as a new array. Okay, so here number of products is there. So all these are products collection. From this products collection, uh, we can search what you want from these all these products collection. Use here text box and type equal to text and ng model equal to set string. Okay, set string and close this. Okay, search products, this is the search text box. Okay, from the collection of products we can search what you want. So this is the scope variable search string. So copy this one and here type character filter and use that string here. Okay, this is the filter and this is the search string. Okay, so what you type in this text box, okay, based on that text it is filtered from the collection of products. So if you want to search for the TVs or fridges, okay, so it will search the products from this collection. Okay, I want TVs only. Okay, like this you can search. Okay, you want to search for cookers, it will display only cookers what you search here. For which one we are searching for searching in text box. So based on this string the products collection will filtered, okay, by using this filter. Next, angular.upper and angular.lower. So this also works as uppercase and lowercase filters. Okay, so directly you want to convert from the controller. Okay, you can use these uh, functions. Okay, angular.uppercase and bracket, you can provide that string to convert which string you want to convert to the uppercase. Okay, in the controller angular.uppercase and in the brackets you can provide the variable scope variable so that the variable is converted to uppercase. Scope dot test string, okay, equal to angular js. This is in uppercase, so I want to display this string in lowercase. Okay, scope dot my test equal to angular dot upper scope dot test string. Okay, display this text in products page. my test. Okay, Angular at uppercase. Okay, so that text is displaying uppercase. You want to display lowercase, use lowercase filter angular dot lower to display in lowercase. If it is in lowercase, use uppercase. Okay, so these are the filters in AngularJS. Okay, so this is the another HTTP service in AngularJS. Okay, so this is used to read the data from the database, okay, or read the data from the services. So HTTP $HTTP is a service. Okay, service is a core Angular service that facilitates communication with the remote HTTP servers, okay, via the browser's XML HTTP request. Okay, the return object is in JSON format. Okay, the return result is in JSON format. So HTTP is an Angular service for reading data from remote servers. Okay, in real-time applications, they are provided they will provide services, okay, to read the data from the database like this. Okay, like in WCF services or web services, okay, they will provide APIs. Okay, so this is actually public API. Okay, so we can find this API in Google. So this API contains India state's information and its area and largest city and capital. So all this information about that states. Okay, Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, okay, and Chhattisgarh. So like this, number of states information is there. Okay, state name and state area and capital and largest city. So this information is available in this link. So this is actually public service, public API. So in real-time applications also they will provide the services same like this. Okay, using that services, okay, we need to read the data and manipulate the data in table format or so whatever you want. So this is the HTTP service to read the data from the services. Products and .NET, and one more menu we can add here, that is states info, states, and states statesinfo.html. So we need to implement this form and this template. Okay, remove all this content. H1 tag. This is states info page. Okay, and controller name also states controller. States controller and page title states info. So use this controller to read the data from the service. Okay, app.controller function. So when you click on the button in the states info template, so you can read the data, you can read the states information from service. Scope dot get states info is a function. Okay, so before you use $HTTP in the controller, we need to inject, okay, inject this service in controller. Okay, so without index this HTTP service, okay, we cannot use that services in the controller. Okay, we cannot uh, use that functionality in the controller. So any type $HTTP service or custom services, okay, or factories or filters, anything. Okay, you need to inject the service name here. After that, you can use that service name or filters or factories, anything. After that, we can use that factory or services in the controller. Comma HTTP $HTTP $HTTP dot get, okay, get function. That get function dot success function. After that, dot error function. Okay, so there is levels is there. This is success function, this is error function in get method. We need to provide the service URL here. Okay, and if you read the data successfully, okay, it will return the success function. Okay, success function. Okay, response. So response my states info. Okay, my states info is the variable. This variable contains all the states information. Response dot. Here one more thing we need to observe. Here rest response is the object. This rest response object, result object is there. Okay, two levels is there. In the response, rest response object. Okay, and after that result object. In this result contains total information. Okay, so this is the object name. This object name contains states information. Okay, after you successfully read the data, the cursor is goes to this statement. If you got any error to read the data from the service, so this goes to this function. So it will display alert message, error message. Okay, so this is the service, get service to read the data from the remote HTTP servers. Next, statesinfo.html form. Use one button here, type equal to button and value equal to get statesinfo. Okay, and ng click. This function name. Okay, and after that in table format we can display. The table format is use this table format, and here state name and capital we can display. Okay, state name and capital only from this list. Serial numbers. Okay, first column, state name and capital. Okay, next one, use this my states info is the variable. This variable contains all the information. Okay, so my states info, and first column is serial numbers, so that index plus 1. Next to state name. State name is the variable. The name should be same like in the service. Then this name and capital. And remove these two columns. Okay, st and st. So now run this example. Okay, and go to states, click on get states info button. Okay, so all the states information is displayed here. Okay, Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Goa, okay, Nagaland. So 36 states information is there. Okay, so like this we need to read the data from the HTTP services. Okay, in real time also same like this we need to do the tasks. Okay, so they will provide the services. Okay, that is web services or WCF services. Through the services we need to read the data and map the data in the HTML form. And one more thing is here I can provide link to the state name. Okay, so when you click on this particular state name, you need to redirect states to uh, another template like states info. Here states is there. Okay, we are in states form. So when you click on the particular state name, we can redirect or we can display another template here. Okay, with another information of the particular state. Okay, so if you click on the Assam, okay, display only Assam information only in that details form. Okay, states details. So when you click on Assam, you need to display country and abbreviation. Okay, and largest city. Okay, and area. Here we can provide a link, and when you click on the particular state and redirect to states details. Okay, state details form, state details template, and display only particular selected states information. Okay, in this filter, in this expression, apply anchor tag. Anchor tag, for this anchor tag, href equal to slash states state details. Okay, with states info. st dot name. Okay, so this is the parameter. Okay, so this is the example how we can uh, pass the parameters from one template to another template. So we are in statesinfo.html template. Okay, create another template, states details template. Okay, remove this button and state details. Remove this serial number. Only you can display country, next abbreviation, and area and largest city. States details. So this is the state details variable. Now remove this and this one anchor tag. st country and abbreviation. Okay, and area, next largest city. Okay, so here we provided the link. So we need to configure this routing in URL routing. Okay, so copy this one, go to URL routing, copy this. Okay, and colon, state name is the parameter. Okay, state name is the parameter, so this parameter name should be same as, okay, no need. So this is the parameter, we are passing state name to that template. So based on that state name, we can read the data from the service and display to the user only particular selected states information only. State details template and state detail controller. Okay, and states details. Copy this controller and implement here. App dot controller comma function scope HTTP. Okay, and here same thing we can use. So no need here function. Okay, and next this variable name is my states details. Okay, so this is the service. You have to read the particular states information. Okay, you want to read the Bihar, it will display only Bihar information only. Okay, so this service we need to use here. Okay, and one more thing here, so we need to get the parameter. Okay, we are passing the parameter, okay, state name from states page, okay, states template. So we need to retrieve this state name from this parameter name. Okay, and pass this parameter name, okay, state name to this service, so that we can retrieve the particular selected state information only. So here one more public variable we can use, dollar root params. Okay, root params, where state name equal to root params dot state name. Okay, state name is the variable name here. Okay, this variable name, that is the parameter name. This name and this name should be same. So from this parameter public variable, we can get the parameter from the URL and store that parameter name in the state name. The state name one. Okay, this is the variable. We can pass this variable to this, okay, service, so that we can get only selected city state information only. So now run this example once. Go to states info, click on this. Okay, so links are displaying for every state. So click on Haryana. Okay, it will redirect to state details and Haryana. Okay, and displaying here that selected state information only. Okay, we are passing parameter to the next another template. Okay, and reading that parameter name and passing that parameter to the service. Okay, service, and displaying and getting the particular state information from this service. Okay, and Kerala. Okay, there is no largest city in the Kerala state, where it is Madhya Pradesh. Okay, so there is no largest city in the state, only capital is there. So that's why there is no, the largest city field is empty. Odisha, there is no largest city. Okay, Telangana. Okay, and Kanpur is there. So like this we can read the data from the services. Okay, and this is the example to pass the parameters through one template to another template.